Hello! Today I am going to talk to you about one of the resources that Hustle.Real recommends you to use. So, if you click on Get Started and you scroll down, you will see this section that says Resources. So, I am going to talk to you about Topcashback. It's completely free. You can create an account and you can find out the different suppliers that they have. The only thing you have to do in order to obtain your cashback is to create an account, and once you have signed in, you have to search for the suppliers that you want to use. And you have to select the source that you want to buy from. So ASOS, get cashback now. So once you are in ASOS website, you have to do your purchase, for example. And buy it as usual. Once you have bought the item, you will go back to your Topcashback account and you will access your dashboard. You have three different amounts. The pending money, that is the money that still needs to be approved by the website. So when you've done the ASOS purchase, then ASOS has to let Topcashback know that the order has been completed successfully, that you haven't requested for a refund or you haven't cancelled it, and then once it's approved by ASOS, Topcashback will confirm the amount. So this is the pending money that I still need to confirm. This is the confirmed amount, and this is the payable amount. So once it has been confirmed, Topcashback has to send me the money. So this is the amount. The payable amount is the money that I can remove from Topcashback. How can I get this money? You have to go to payout, and here I can choose the option that I want. And if you only want the cashback directly to your account, you have to scroll down and select PayPal payable. So that's it for today. This is Topcashback, and we highly recommend you to use it since you are able to obtain extra cashback with your orders. Once again, thank you very much for watching us. Don't forget to stay tuned by following us on social media and watching our YouTube channel. Have a nice day.